If you have been thinking on starting YouTube automation and you don't know how to get started, this is the right video for you. In today's video, I am going to show you a particular niche that you can get started with and monetize your account in less than 30 days, right? In less than 30 days. And note this, it's not just about creating the account and expecting it to get monetized in 30 days. You have to put in the work, right? I'm going to show you how to create content unlimitedly so that you will not run out of content. And I'm going to show you how to get the niche, the scripting and everything step by step. So if that's what you are looking for and if that interests you, stick around to the end of this video as I'm going to show you how to do this, how to go about this step by step. All right, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this. So now, this is a particular niche that has recently been blowing up on YouTube. And this niche is what we call this toothcraft niche, right? A lot of people have been trying this niche and you can see it has really been blowing up. You can see the number of views this channel is getting, right? You see 1.1 million views, you see 2 million views, and a lot. See them 48k views in less than 1 month. And you can see some others. There, see another one that has over 6.1 million views. This one only can even give you your full subscriber and your full watch hour in less than 30 days. Now, that's not, I'm going to show you how to go about this. All you're going to do is just look for this particular toothcraft, go to your YouTube and search for it, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Now, the first thing you're going to do now is you're going to take a screenshot of this particular channel. When you take a screenshot of it, you now go to your, you can take a two-side. Like I'm going to take the first side and the second side and do that. So I've already provided a template for you to make it more easier for you. So all you're going to do, I'm going to upload it to my WhatsApp community. You are going to come over to my WhatsApp community and get the tool, the prompt I use in generating this video, right? So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my ChatGPT, and once I come to ChatGPT, I'm just going to come over and upload the screenshots I made. I screenshot from the YouTube channel. Now after uploading it, then I'm going to copy the first step from the template I'm going to upload for you. I'm going to post in the WhatsApp community, right? So I'm going to upload that right here and then go back to the prompt and copy this part where I will say carefully analyze the screenshots in detail, look at the video thumbnails and everything. So I'm going to upload the first step. Please make sure you follow this step by step. Don't skip any part. Make sure you don't skip any part, right? So I'm going to paste it right here. And yeah, okay, it's because it's one image I'm using here. I'm just going to remove the both and change it to just one, right? So let's upload that and see the outcome. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. So ChatGPT is going to analyze the image, analyze the video channel, and give us the best explanation it can do. And remember, I told you to tell me if it is yes or no before proceeding with anything, right? And it said yes. So I'm going to go back to the template and copy the second step. So yeah, I want to hear more details about this. It should explain more, go deeper about this particular niche. Now I'll copy this and take it back to ChatGPT and paste it right there, right? Please don't forget to skip any part. Don't skip any part. Follow this part step by step without jumping any part. Jumping any part will result to you not getting the best result, right? So I'm going to paste it right to the ChatGPT again and see the outcome. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do for us. It's very simple and very easy. Once you follow every step I am explaining to you right here. Now I'm going to do that right now and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Right, let's wait for the outcome. Let's wait for the. All right, so you can see it has given us the step by step and everything. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over and copy the topic aspect for the ChatGPT to give us various topic that we can try out, and let's see how that one too goes. All right, so let me come over. You can see a lot of things, and the sweet part is that it's even giving us the tool that we can use, that we can make use of to do this, right? So, but I have a particular tool that I'm going to explain, that I'm going to introduce you to, and which you are going to enjoy it. I'm going to show you how to go about that as well, right? I'm very sure most of you know about the tool. So once we get there to that part, you're going to see how that one works, right? So let's continue and see what what the output, the result we are going to get. You can see it's giving us fastest AI production workflow. It's giving us the workflow step by step from ChatGPT to whatever. Now the next thing I'm going to do is for the topic aspect. Let's paste the topic one and see the topics that AI is going to generate. Now you can see that's giving us 10 different topics that we can get started with. Now looking at this part, I can just pick anyone. So I think, let me look for which one. Broken tooth, roots, treated, a lot of them like that. You see, we have a lot of them. Let's continue, let's read them. So now I think I'm more interested in this number 10. Let's check this number 10 out. Okay, but before that, let's go and copy our image template. Now let's go come over and click that image prompt. So I've copied that, right, and I'm going to paste it right here. Once I paste it, don't forget to select the topic you pick from the one AI generated for you. So I'm just going to come over and select that number 10, the number 10 that I picked initially. So I'll copy it and paste it right here in this template. So once I pick it, I'm going to paste it for this ChatGPT. Then it's going to give me 10 different images. Like, this is so very, very amazing. So let's see the outcome, right? So you can see these are the generated 10 image prompts that we need from ChatGPT, and it has been given to us already, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to come over and copy everything. I'll just copy everything. But before I do that, I can just come over and generate the video one as well, so that not to waste our time. So let me just come over and copy the one of the video and paste it right for this ChatGPT, so that it's going to generate that for us. Now let me just do that right now and paste it. Let me do that. Let's wait and see. Okay, so it's doing that for us already. So you can see now what this AI is doing for us. Now look at the way this ChatGPT analyzes it for us. It gives us image 1 to image 2. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you about that when I get to the video part. But the first thing we need to do right now is to first generate our image. So now I'm going to start with the first 3 images. Let's generate them one after the other and see. And now I'm going to show you something very important. Now let's just go straight to the tool. Now this is the tool. We all know, just go and search for Google Flow. When you search for Google Flow, this is the layout of the Google Flow. This is how you're going to see it. Now I'm going to come over to my Google Flow after I'm using Pro version already. So I'm just going to come over to new chart, and once I come to new chart, you see this aspect where you see agents. This aspect where you see agents, you just come over to the agent part, and when you get there, but before I do that, let me just copy my prompt. Let me copy the first image prompt so that we can generate our image. Don't forget, it's already on agent mode, right? And before I proceed to generate the image, I want to do some settings, because if it is short, I want to create, or long form video that I want to create, I have to specify it in the video, right? So as you can see the settings right here, we have 16:9 aspect ratio, we have 9:16 aspect ratio, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4. So, but right here in this video, I'm going for 9:16 aspect ratio. That's for the video part. But if it is for the image section as well, I'm also going to set all of that, right? So please note this when you are making use of your Google Flow, right? So now that I've set it to 9:16 aspect ratio, I'll just go ahead to generate the image. Let's just come over and generate the image, and let's see the output of the results. Now you can see in just few seconds your image will be ready. It's generating. Wow, this is amazing. Now this is the step 1. This is the first image. Now let's go back again and copy the second image. The second image prompt. Let's see. Just carefully watch this video and see the results. Don't worry, I'm not going to do everything step by step, one after the other. I will show you one way to generate multiple images at a time. Just calm down and watch this video, right? So let me do that for the second one. I've kept this the 2 generating. Let's copy number 3 and paste it right there. Okay, the second one is generating, so let's hold on for the second one to generate successfully before we now go further to generate the remaining images, right? So let me wait for this one in few seconds, right? This one is also done. Then let me paste the third prompt and click on generate. Now I'm going to show you, the next thing I'm going to show you right now is how to generate multiple the remaining 7 images. Now we are going to generate everything once. Now just watch and see the magic I'm going to perform here. Now what I'm going to do now, instead of using just that prompt for, I'm just going to come over and just copy everything. Let's wait for it to generate this the third scene successfully. So once we are done with the third scene, then we can now proceed with the remaining prompts. So I'm going to come over and copy the remaining prompts. So let's do that right away. Let me copy the remaining prompt and go back to our tool and generate the image for that. So I'm going to paste the prompt right here. So after pasting the prompt, let's come up here and see if there's anything to fix here. All right, I noticed I did not copy the text image. Let me just use this image prompt right here and paste it right here. Let me just edit this right here, image. Okay, image prompt. Then let me remove this 5 and turn it to 4. Right, so now I'm done with that. Let me just click on send. Now look at the beautiful what will happen right here. You just see that all the images will be generated at once, right? Everything will be generated at once. Now as you can see, I'm going to generate the remaining scene images of the dental tooth, and as you can see, look at it. Now everything is not generating everything at once. You can see now it saves time, no longer generating manually one after the other. You cannot generate all at once and it saves your time. You can see the beautiful part and the best part why you need to use this amazing tool, right? So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over here. Now I think we have generated the prompt for the video already, so let's just come over and copy the video prompt. Now look at the most amazing and the most shocking part that I want to reveal to you right now. I'm going to copy all the video prompt now. So let me copy all the video prompt and take it to the flow, right? So let's wait for the image to generate successfully and see, just watch what I want to do next. So I'm going to do that right away. Let me copy everything. All right, you can see all our images are ready now. The next thing I'm going to do now is just to paste in the prompt. I'm going to paste in the prompt for the video, right? So let me do that right away. Let me paste for the video. Let's paste everything right here. So you can see everything has been pasted here. Now what this AI is going to use is going to use the image reference 1, image reference 2 for the first scene, image reference 2 and image reference 3 as the second scene, image reference 3 and 4 for the third scene, continuously till it reaches to the final video. Don't forget to set your video. If it is 16:9 aspect ratio that you want to go for, set it to that. If it is 9:16, any form you want to do, make sure you specify that in the video, right? So don't forget, we started with the 9:16 aspect ratio. We are going to continue with that. And don't forget to set it to just one. It should not generate 2 times so that it will not consume much of your credit, right? So it's requesting that should I proceed. You just the first thing I want to do is I think I first rejected here because I haven't set the aspect. I want to confirm the aspect ratio if it has been set to 9:16, right? It's very, very important. So let me come over and do that. So let me just come over and see that it has already cancelled. So and I said let me just see what let me just type, let me just give it the next instruction. Okay, and I said now that I've already edited the settings, I've done the settings, and I say it can proceed with the generation. It's as simple as that. This agent is so it's so calm and it's listening to your command. Anything you say, it follows, right? So now you can see I'm just going to give it the next instruction of what to do, and it's going to do that for me, right, without even wasting much of our time. So let me just come over and just copy this little part to make it more, so that it can follow exactly what we are looking for. Now let's just go ahead and see this. That's why I say, if you have watched this video to this very point, I'm very sure this video has helped you in one way or the other and you find it very interesting. Personally, I know this video has helped you in one way or the other. So don't forget to like this video, comment the best comment you can ever give me, and share this video to your friends and family to also partake in this YouTube automation to start creating content and monetize your channel in less than 30 days, right? And also, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as this motivates me to keep sharing more wonderful updates like this, right? So now I've commanded it to continue with the generation, and as you can see the result output, it's generating all the scenes at the same, like all at the same time. And trust me, the output is going to amaze you. The output is going to amaze you. So let's wait and see the output. Let's wait and see the output in few seconds. Like, you know, normally before you have to generate one after the other, you paste, you copy and paste, but now you copy everything once, paste everything once, and it gives you the results at once, not twice, right? So let me make this very fast. Let's see. This is the reason why I'm not cutting any part. That's why I am doing everything step by step, so that you see exactly how this is, how this works, right? So let's wait and see the output. I'm waiting for the output. Let's see. Wow, some are already done already. You can see them. Let's wait for everything to successfully. So apart from that, I will also show you how to join all this video right in this tool, how to download everything, and you have them right in your device, and you see how it works. Google Flow has updated a lot. Initially it was not like this. It has updated a lot, and you can see right here everything is going very perfectly and very amazing. So as you can see, now what I'm going to do next is, if you want to download them manually, like one after the other, you can download it. But right here, I want to create scene. So the first one, as you can see here, I'm creating scene for each of the videos. So now I'm going to do that for all the scenes. So let's do that very fast. Let me create, so don't worry, it's a very simple thing. So you can just follow everything step by step. As you can see, I've already, I'm almost done adding everything. Make sure that you are not skipping any part. One, you should not go and do scene 5 before scene 1. Make sure you follow from scene 1 to the last scene, right? So as you can see, everything is set. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to download this right to my device. So I'm just going to come over. You see the 3 icon right here. You click on it and click on download. Then you see it is going to pop up in your download section. As you can see, downloading file. So once it's done, once the download is completed, it's going to give you in zip file. So once it's downloaded completely, it's going to give you a zip file. You are the one that you are going to export it, and you know what, you unzip the file and you edit it. You can just take it to your CapCut and whatever. You can see this, it has downloaded successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to, let's now confirm it in my file folder. So you can see, let's click on it and see the output. Like you can see, these are all the videos right here, all the scenes, all the 9 scenes. We now have them in our device, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do is just go over to your CapCut. If you are using phone CapCut or laptop CapCut, you can go ahead and join them all together, and you'll see that you get the best parts of this, and you are good to go. You do that continuously for the next 30 days and upload it to your YouTube channel. You can see that you can now monetize your channel, right? So I'm very sure this video has helped you, and you find this video very, very interesting and very, very helpful. If you really find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Let them also partake in this beautiful video, this amazing video. And also, I want to introduce something very important to you. For this tool that I use right here, if you want to use it, you can start with the first month free trial, which is free. Then if you are proceeding to the next trial, you have to start paying, right? You have to start. That's why at the first I said you are going to use it for the first 1 month for free. Then the second month you start paying. If you are Nigerian, you pay 28,500 naira for getting this up. But if you are from other countries, if you are paying dollars, you are going to pay $19.99 in a month. That's if you want to go. Now there's a plan I will, if you are interested in getting this tool for the next 18 months, I'm going to I'm going to attach my email right in the description part, so that if you're interested in getting this account for 18 months for just a penny, you can come to my DM, or I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number and also drop my email right there. You can come to my DM and get it just for a little token. Trust me, a little token. I mean a little token. So thank you very much for watching this video to this very point. Welcome once again to David Creative Lab. I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.